If you've been told to sing from your diaphragm but your voice still fades, cracks or tightens, then this video will fix that. Because today I'm going to show you why diaphragmatic singing disappears and how to keep it working from the first note down till the last. And make sure you watch till the end because the final exercise changes everything. In part 1, we talked about where your diaphragm is. Part 2, we talked about how to breathe. Part 3, we talked about how to feel support. Now in part 4, which is this video, we're going to talk about where most singers fail, which is control. Yes, you can breathe properly, but then your control is off. Your voice will not sound as good. When we say sing from your diaphragm, it doesn't really mean that you're singing from your diaphragm. What it means is that you have this controlled air coming down from below. You see, when your throat is doing all the work, you are not supporting. And when your belly collapses fast, you are pushing. Support is steady, not strong. Now we call this one the silent air control. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna place your hands on your belly. Okay, you're gonna place your hands on your belly and then you're gonna breathe in deeply. Now while you breathe out, you're gonna breathe out with a s. Make sure that it doesn't shake. It is not a shaky sound but a steady one. Now this is the foundation of diaphragmatic singing, because if you cannot control air silently, you won't be able to control it while you sing. So let's go. Place your hands on your belly and breathe in. Now notice that your belly will push forward a little. Now let's go. Breathe in. Like we said, steady and not shaky. We don't want something like this. No, steady. Let's go again. Just like that. Learn to take control silently and you will be able to take control while you sing as well. Next, we call this the voice support. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna do a v instead of this you did earlier. Now what this does is that it helps you feel the vibration without forcing volume. Okay, now let's go. Breathe in. Feel that vibration? Let's go again. That's it, you did it! Now the common mistakes that singers make are having a tight jaw, raised shoulders, or a loud volume. We don't need that. Now although diaphragmatic singing might feel boring at first, but boring things are usually the right things, isn't it? Have you noticed that you start a song well, but by the time you get to the chorus, everything just collapses? Well, the reasons could be that you sang too loud too early, okay? You sang too loud too early, using all the air you have in one phrase, causing an emotional tension. Now take note of this, that professional singers do not use more air. Instead, they use air slower. Next is the sustained note control. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna sing one comfortable note on ah for about 6 to 8 seconds. Okay, now let's go. Ah. Note that your belly stays expanded, your neck relaxed, and you need to sound even. Now, if your breath shakes, that means that you're pushing too hard. Then, if your breath fades, then that means that you are using too much air. Now, let's go again. Ah. Again. Ah. Again. Ah. You can do it. Next up is the phrase control. Now you're gonna sing this on one breath, okay? Sing this on one breath. Let's go. La 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 la. Again. La 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 la. Now try to sing it on one breath. Now no rushing, no shouting. Calm body. Diaphragmatic singing is about planning your breath, not surviving the phrase. If you want this to become automatic, then do this daily. 1 minute of a 1 minute of a 1 minute of a gentle note control like ah, then 1 minute of a phrase control like la 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 in one breath. Okay? If this video helped you, please do well to like and subscribe and comment control if you feel the difference already. In part 5, I'm going to show you how to use diaphragm support to take high notes without strain. So don't miss it. To the next video, guys. Bye.